When I got off the streetcar and that evening, my mind was still churning. I remember now that I noticed, even from the corner, how brightly the house was illuminated. House light was glowing. But at the time, that did not mean okay anything to me. So, but सेटा मो ପାଇଁ କିଛି problem नଥିଲା. I recall as I went up the steps, ଯେମିତି ଉପରକୁ ଉଠି ଗଲି ପାହାଚ, okay, I recall ମୋର ମନେ ପଡୁଛି and opened the door, I murmured. ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ କଣ କଲି ମର୍ମର କଲି, ଗୁଣଗୁଣ ହେଲି ହେଲା, କଣ ଗୁଣଗୁଣ ହେଲି 9 times 9 is 81 ବୋଲି ଗୁଣଗୁଣ ହେଲି ହେଲା. And then Gladolia met me in the hall. ମଝିରେ ଗ୍ଲାଡୋଲିଆ ମତେ ଭେଟିଲା ହେଲା, ମିଷ୍ଟର ହାଲୋକ ପଢିବାକୁ be missus so thinks you was lost. Okay, ତୁମେ lost, ତୁମେ ହଜି ଯାଇଛ. अच्छा, she don't phone okay you this morning to be home early. Okay, तुमको से खोजिथिला घर को आसियो कहिथिला मॉर्निंग रे. But for the Lord's sake not to stop to argify. Argify means to argue. Now but get ready for the company and come on down. तेणु आमर कंपनी माने आम संगे मिशिया को आस, तलू को आस. Some memory of a message given me by one of the clerks. Some memory of a message ହେଲା ମତେ ଜଣେ ଦେଇଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ମେସେଜ ହେଲା. one of the clerks filtered back through my brain ହେଲା. ଏଟା ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ହେଲା. What I had been okay hunting 3 lost receipts at the time and had completely forgotten it. Okay, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ରିସିପ୍ଟ okay ଖୋଜୁଥିଲି, some memory of a message given me by one of the clause filtered back through my brain. तो ମୁଁ ସେଇ କଥା ଭାବିଲି. Okay, and I have completely forgotten it. ତାପରେ ସେ କଥା ମୁଁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛି. Company, I said stupidly. What company? ହେଲା କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମିଶିବି? Mrs. D, the Mrs. Ojia board party, said Gladolia. ସେ ଗଲା ଏଇ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ଆସିକି ମିଶିବ. And rolling her eyes, she disappeared in the direction of the kitchen. ତାପରେ ସେ kitchen ଆଡକୁ ଗଲା. Okay, I must have gone upstairs and dressed and come down again, for I presently found myself standing in the dimly lighted lower hall, wearing my second best suit and a fresh shirt and collar. ହେଲା ମୁଁ ସେଠି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି upstairs ଯାଇକିରି ହେଲା and dressed and come down again, for presently I found myself standing in the dimly lighted lower hall. ସେଠି lower hall କୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲାଣି, wearing my second best suit and a fresh shirt and collar. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ପିନ୍ଧିଛି. But I have no recollections of the process. ତେଣୁ ସେ କେମିତି ଯାଇଛି, କେମିତି ଆଇଛି, ଆସିଛି ସେ ଜାଣିନି. But he has already worn these clothes. There was a great chattering coming from our little parlor, and I went over to the half-open door and peered through. There was a great chattering coming from our little parlor. ଆମ ପାର୍ଲର ଆସୁଛି ଗୋଟେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା, chattering. Okay, little parlor, and I went over to the half-open door and peered through. ସେ ପାର୍ଲର ଯାଇକି ଦେଖିଲା କଣ ଅଛି ତା ଭିତରେ. The room was full of women, most of them elderly, whom I recognized as belonging to my wife's book club. Okay, ସେ ତାଙ୍କ book club ର ଲୋକ. When they were sitting in couple and between ଦି ଜଣ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି and each couple was a ojia board. ହେଲା, the mournful squeak of the legs of the moving triangular things on which they rested their fingers filled the air and mixed it with the conversation. I looked round for the ghost with my heart sunk down to zero. Zero हो गया heart. ହେଲା, हल्का है ये. What if Lavinia should see her and go mad before my eyes? Okay, and then my wife came and tapped me on the shoulder. So ଏଇଟା ସେ ଭାବୁଛି. Okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଆସିକି ତାକୁ ତା କାନ୍ଧରେ ହାତ ମାରିଲା. So John, she said in her sweetest voice, and I noticed that her cheeks were very pink and her eyes were bright. My wife is never so pretty as when she is doing something she knows. I disapprove. है कि नहीं? So सेତେବେଳେ she is not looking beautiful. And I don't. अच्छा, John, dear, I know you will help us out. Mrs. William Augustus Wainwright phoned at the last moment. Wait a minute. Last moment to say that she could not possibly come, and that leaves poor Laura Hinke without a partner. Now, John, I know some people can work a ojia by themselves, but Laura can't, and she will just have a horrible time unless you. So you also join. Me, I gasped. Me, I won't. But ହେଲା, ସେ କହିଲା ତୁ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ଜଏନ୍ କର ହେଲା. But even as I spoke, she had taken my arm, and the next thing I knew I was sitting with the thing on my knees and Miss Laura Hinkle opposite. ସେ ମୋ opposite ରେ ବସିଥିଲା. Right? Grinning in my face like a clitorious crocodile. Okay, ସେ ହସୁଥିଲା. Grinning. So grinning, ହସୁଥିଲା like a clitorious crocodile. I began. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଖେଳି ପାରିବିନି. Right? Now, Mr. Hallock, don't you be shy. Mr. Laura Hunke leaned forward and shook a bony finger almost under my chin. So, से कौन कला? से मते एमती मो chin को ये कला, हैला? shook a bony finger, गोटे finger रे तारा ये कला. Because it was a ghost. So, shook a bony finger कहूची. I am not. Only I say I won't. पुणी से कहला ना I मु खेल परिबे. No, it is very easy. Clearly, you just put the tips of your fingers right here beside the tips of my fingers. से कहूची मो finger पाखरे तो खाली finger टा रख. And the first thing I knew, she had taken my hands and was coyly, precarious but pretending to be shy and modest. Okay, ତେଣୁ ଏଟା pretending ମାନେ ସେ shy ବୋଲି ନିଜକୁ pretend କରୁଛି, ମିଛକୁ shy ହଉଛି, coyly. And first thing I knew, she had taken my hands and was coyly holding them in the position desired. Okay. अच्छा, जो जगह रे रखिया कथा से जो कौन कोड लिखाई जी ओजिया बोर्ड से रखितला नहीं करी. राइट, मो हाथ तक she released them presently. एबे से छाड़िला and the little board began to slide around in an aimless sort of way. So the little board now slided. Okay, slided somehow. तापरे there seemed to be some force tugging it about. Okay, why it was moving? Some force was tugging it about. हम ताको बुलाऊचे हो. Okay, I looked at my partner. First with suspicion and then with a vast relief. ହେଲା तापरे मु रिलीफ पाइली माने टिके इजी मते लागिला राइट इफ शी वाज डूइंग इट माने ताको से जदी बुलाउची राइट देन ऑल दैट टॉक अबाउट स्पिरिट्स ହେଲା Oh, I did hope Miss Laura Hinkle was cheating with that board. अच्छा तो सेटे कहूची if she was doing it then all that talk about spirits तार मन पड़ला talk about spirits. Oh, I did hope Miss Laura Hinkle was cheating with that board. अच्छा Ojia, dear, won't you tell us something? She coed. Okay, coed. Coed means she cooed. Cooed eta kono maybe said, and on the instant the things seemed to take life. Okay, se jinsa ta Ojia ta bi tar life asiala. Okay, so it rushed to the upper left and corner of the board and hovered with its front leg on the word yes. Okay, सेठ जाइकरी से ठाकिला ता ऊपर जाई रहिला hovered माने माने छिडा हला शून्य जाइकरी yes पाखरे. Then it began to fly around so fast that I gave up any attempt to follow it. तापर मु छाड़ देलता. Okay, I did not follow. I did not see where it is going. My companion was bending forward and had started to spell out aloud. Okay, से जोर रे कहला का को मु जेतु छाड़ी देली ट्रेटर माने से कहला विश्वासघातक ट्रेटर why what does she mean? Okay, actually से कौन कहया को चाहुतला हला से पचछ I don't know, I said desperately. My collar felt very tight. Okay, अच्छा एठी my companion was bending forward and had started to spell out loud traitor. Why, what does this mean? से कौन कहया को चाहूची right? I don't know, I said desperately. My spirit ta कहला. I said desperately. My collar felt very tight. अच्छा. But she must mean something. Ojia. She must mean something. Okay. Ojia dear, won't you explain yourself more fully? मैंने Ojia को सिखो है ना. Ask him. Ask who? Ojia. है ना. ये Ojia. अच्छा I am going. I choked. I am going. मु कहली मु जाउची and tried to get up but my fingers seemed stuck to that dreadful board. किंतु बोर्ड रे लागी रहिला मो फिंगर and I dropped back again. मु पुनी बस पड़ी हैला. Apparently Miss Hinkle had not heard my protest. Okay, the thing was going around faster than ever, and she was reading the message silently with her brow corrugated. Okay, corrugated. अच्छा देखियो and the light of the huntress in her pale blue eyes. अच्छा, why she says it is you, Mr. Hallock? What does she mean? Ujia won't tell, won't you, Ujia, won't you tell us who is talking? ତାପରେ କହିଛି କଣ? I groaned. Groan ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ groan ମାନେ I told. But that inexorable means unstoppable. That inexorable board continued to spell. A board टा कहला. I always did hate a spelling match. Mrs. Hinkle was again following it aloud. Ellen. She raised her voice until it could be heard at the other end of the room. Lavanya. से कहला कौन? Lavanya, dear, do you know anyone by the name of Helen? Helen किए बोली पचरा हला. By the name of what? हला. I can't hear you. Yes, and my wife made her way over to us between the book club's chairs. अच्छा. You know the funniest thing has happened? कि wife ऐसी कहला. She whispered excitedly. Someone had been trying to communicate with John through Mrs. Hunt's and Mrs. Pinkle's Ojia. गला ओजिया रे ओजिया थ्रू रे से कम्युनिकेट करिया को चाहूची से बोर्ड थ्रू रे समन बाय द नेम ऑफ हेलेन हैला हेलेन नार की ओटा अछि से ये करिया को चाहूची हां व्हाई इजंट दैट क्यूरियस व्हाट इज हैला मिस हेंकल सिंपल माने शी स्माइल्ड ओके समवन गिविंग द नेम ऑफ हेलेन had just been calling for your husband here. Achha. But we don't know anyone by the name of Helen. Lavinia stopped and began to look at me through narrowed lids, much as she had done in the library the evening before. And then, some different parts of the room, other manipulators began to report. Every plagued one of those 5 Ojia boards was calling me by name. I felt my ears grow crimson. Crimson means a color, purple, maroon, in some different color. My wife was looking at me as though I were some peculiar insect. The squeak of Ojia जो calling, okay, boards, and the murmur of conversation, rose louder, the bodhila, and louder. And then I felt my face twitch in spasm. Okay, of that idiomatic grin. I tried to strengthen my raised features into their usual semblance of humanity. I tried. So that means he wanted to be relaxed. Doesn't he look sly? Okay, said Mrs. Hinkle. And then I got up and fled from the room. ହେଲା जे ताको मते से स्लाय बोली कहले ହେଲା तेणु आई गॉट अप मोर पळेली बुझबो I do not know how that party ended. I do not want to know. I went straight upstairs. ମୁଁ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲି? Upstairs ଗଲି and undressed and crawled into bed. ମାନେ ଗଲି ଆରି ବୁରୁଣ୍ଡିକି ଗଲି ପୁରୀ bed କୁ. And then there in the burning dark, there in burning dark, when the last guest gurgled in the hall below about the wonderful evening she had spent. I lay there while the front door shut after her, and Lavinia's steps came up the stairs and passed the door to the guest room beyond. And then after a couple of centuries elapsed, the clock struck 3 and I dozed off to sleep. तापरे मु सोई पड़ली बोली कहू. अच्छा. At the breakfast table the next morning there was no sign of my wife. I concluded she was sleeping late, but Gladolia, upon being questioned, only shook her head, muttered something, किछ कहला, and turned the whites of her eyes, off the ceiling को अनेला. I was glad when the meal was over and hurried to the library for another try at that story. पुणी जाकर स्टोरी टा पढ़ी बोली गली सकाल. I had hardly seated myself at the desk when there came a tap at the door. मैंने जने बाड़ेला and a white slip of paper slid under it. डोर तलू आसला गोटे स्लिप पेपर slid under it. बुझला. I unfolded it. मुझे खोलिली and read. कौन dear John लिखा है I am going back to my grandmother. My lawyer will communicate with you later. ये जॉन को लिखा है. Oh, I cried. Oh, I wish I was dead. ये तो कहला. And that is exactly what you ought to be, said that horrible voice from the other end of the room. Horrible voice कहला. I sat up abruptly. I had sunk into a chair under the blow of the letter. Then I dropped back again and my hair rose in a thick prickle on the top of my head. Coming majestically across the floor towards me was a highly polished pair of thick lace shoes. Thick lace shoes. Thick lace मैंने का लेस उड़ा पतला नहीं मोटा मोटा. I stared at them in a sort of dreadful fascination. It would be done something. Okay. So fascination, and then something about their gate माने तांकर माने facial appearance. Gate attracted my attention and I recognized them. See here, I said sternly. Sternly. What do you mean by appearing here like this? I can't help it, said the voice, which seemed to come from a point about 5.5 feet above the shoes. Shoes टा खाली देखा जाउची हैला. ता ऊपर voice टा आसला. I raised my eyes and presently distinguished her round protruding mouth. मुझे देखिली तारो माउथ टा केंदी बाहर को. Why can't you? A nice way to act, to work in sections. Okay. If you will give me time, said the mouth, in an exasperated voice. बड़ voice है I assure you the rest of me will presently arrive. But what is the matter with you? You never acted this way before. She seemed tak कहला कि तुम्हें आगुर तो सेमती act करनथलो. She seemed strong to make a violent effort for a portion of a fishy eye and the end of her nose popped into view with a suddenness that made me jump. It is all your fault. She glared at me. While part of her head and her paid skirt began slowly to take form. ହେଲା सेटा तापरे तार जना पड़ला कौन हेयर आसीगला स्कर्ट माय फॉल्ट ହେଲା से पचासला इट इज योर फॉल्ट ऑफ कोर्स ହେଲା हाउ कैन यू कीप ए लेडी ऑफ वर्किंग ऑल नाइट and then expect her to retain all her faculties the next day तामाने नेक्स्ट डे से सोई पड़ियो ହେଲା रात्रि काम करछि ना आई एम जस्ट टू टायर्ड टू मेटेरियलाइज तो से कहूची मु भी सोया को चाहूँ राइट देन व्हाई डिड यू बदर ହେଲା अच्छा बिकॉज आई वाज सेंट टू आस्क व्हेन योर वाइफ इज गोइंग टू गेट रिड ऑफ द ओजिया बोर्ड ओके तो मते जने पठेइछि पचारिया को ओजिया बोर्ड से केबे छाड़ियो How should I know? I wish to heaven I will never see you. Huh? I cried. Look what you have done. You have lost my wife. My wife. Lost me my wife. You have lost me my home and happiness. You have. In the way कहला. Mr. Hallock came from the hall outside. Mr. Hallock, it is genuine the kilt. I don't like no hoodoos. Hoodoos means pressing curses and the charms to bring dialogue on someone. पढ़वाला Okay. And the steps retreated. Pachu gala. Retreated माने pachu gala. You have lost me. You have lost me my cook. I didn't come here to be abused. ହେଲା मते के गाली दो बोली मैं ठीक आसिनी. Said the ghost coldly. And then the door opened and Lavinia entered. तापरे Lavinia आसला. She wore the brown. Got a brown hair पिनतिला coat. She usually travels in and carried a suitcase धरतिला. On which she sat down on the floor. That suitcase had an air of solid finality about it, and its lock jeered at me brassily माने rudely, ହେଲା so तार लॉक ता मते जेंति थटा करथला. I leaped from my chair with unaccustomed agility माने कष्टरे okay and sprang in front for my wife. I must conceal that awful phantom from her of that risk of any risk. She did not look at me or thank heaven behind me, but fixed her injured gaze upon the wastebasket. Okay, as if the rest dark secrets from it. अच्छा, I have come to tell you that I am leaving. See, staccated. Oh yes, yes. Agreed. Agreed. Flapping my arms about to attract attention from the corner. Hela, that is fine, great.